guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out every day to stop back at my channel. Alright, my name is Pam. Welcome to Pam's Life. If you are new here, thank you so much for showing up. I hope that you enjoy my collection of my AliExpress earrings. This is what today's video is all about. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you have any questions, just leave all the comments down below. I read all of them and I try to answer every single question. Alright guys, so today's going to be a collective haul. Not a haul, but it's my collection. This is a collection haul of all my earrings that I get from AliExpress. Everybody loves those beautiful faux leather earrings. They're very, very expensive. So they could be anywhere from $14 to $24 a pair, and I just don't have that kind of money, but I want to have that kind of look. So what I did is I found a whole bunch of earrings on AliExpress, and I've been ordering them since I think May is when I started my collection. So this is my full complete collection, except for a couple of pairs because I think they're in my purse. I do wear them. Sometimes I take them off and, you know, whatever. So some of the stores I will have linked down below if they still have them available. A lot of my earrings were 45 cents to $1.75, I think. I didn't pay any more than $2 a pair. So let's just get started. Now I'm going to show you my newer earrings. These ones I just got. I ordered them in the end of June and I just got them in. It took so long. So these are the Halloween collection ones that I have. These are the three that I have right now. This one is really cute. Has like an owl on it, and I love owls. So this has an owl on it, a black tree, and a pumpkin. And I really love them. They're very lightweight. I love how they're lightweight. You can't even really feel them. This is a spider web with a moon. And then this one is a ghost with a cauldron. And again, it does have an owl on it, if you could see it. But yeah, I like these ones. These were really, really cute. So I ordered those 3 pair. And again, it did take really long for them to come. I don't know what's going on, but all of a sudden, everything's taken forever for me to get. I don't know why. So these I got for Christmas because I love the black buffalo checker. And then I got the red and black checker. You can't go wrong with that for Christmas. So I got them. And for the fall, I think these are nice for the fall. My next favorite pair are these. They are blue, but like on the picture, it looks more like they were dark green, black and white, but they are blue and black and white, and it looks like it doesn't look it looks gray, but it doesn't really look like the picture, I can tell you that, but I still really do like them. These are a little odd also. They looked like marble, and I was like, oh, that's a cool look. So, but they're very shiny. They have like this sheen on them. It's like a plastic film on top of them. And I got these. I like them. I've worn them a couple times already. I like them. These are my feather ones. I love these ones. They're blue and the colorful feathers. I really do like them. The next ones that are my really ultimate favorites are these. These are my favorites. I love those. I love the snake skin. And then I love the cheetah print. I love them. I wear these all the time. So those. And then I got these are so cool. I wore them in the summertime. I really like them, but they remind me of a fishing lure, like a bass lure. They're very funny. I really love them. And then these two are my favorite. I wore these a couple of times. Silver. I love the silver. And then this is copper. I love the copper. Very, very pretty. And again, so lightweight. These are really pretty cool. They're very glittery. I'm going to wear them for New Year's Eve, I think. Aren't they pretty? They just pick up the light so pretty. They're black. So that's my cat. He wants to come in, but I'm not letting him in right now. These are the only wooden pair that I own. I think I will order more of these. I really love these. and they're very lightweight. The only thing I didn't like is they don't come with backs. None of these earrings came with backs. That's the only thing I didn't like. And then these are still in the package because I haven't worn them. They're red with flowers, but this came from the same store. I really love these. These are really pretty. I wore these a few times. And then these are my woven ones. I also have a black pair. I thought I lost the black pair, so I ordered another. So now I have two, which is good. One is a backup, but I don't have them here. I don't know what I did with them. So these are white. They're like a pearly pinkish white. Very pretty. These are blue. I like these. I love the woven look. I really do like that. These are like a brown. Very pretty. Oh, with the hair on them. Brown. And then these ones are gold. What I also like about them is how they come with these bags. I keep the bags, but I love how they come with the bags. So if you're traveling, you could put them in the bags, you know, and 2 or 3 pairs will actually fit in there. So if you're traveling, you can, you know, without losing them, it's really nice to have them. I keep all the bags. Actually, I store them in the bag. So when I get done wearing them, I usually put them right back in the bag that they came in. So, yeah. So that's my little haul, not haul, that's my little earring collection. Again, if you're interested, if the store doesn't have them anymore, I won't be able to link them, but I'll try to find a store that does have them. And if they're missing any links or they don't work, please just let me know down below, and I will give you the link right on your comment. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. I love earrings. Earrings are a wonderful statement piece. I love wearing earrings. I always have. So, but these are fat. I love these. Definitely, and they're coming up with more and more designs, which is great. And more sizes. Like these are small. These came pretty small. But these ones, this is the biggest size I own, are these ones. So yeah. They're a lot bigger than the other ones, but I like them a little bit smaller. I don't like really big earrings, but I love this. I love the style of them. They're just so pretty, and you can, you know, the only problem is waiting. I'm very impatient, so that's my only problem. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video of seeing my collection of earrings. If there's anything you want to see a collection of that I might have from AliExpress, you see my hauls, I'll link it over here. I believe over here I'll link my playlist to my AliExpress hauls so you can see all the items that I've gotten. Here are my little babies coming. Hello, this is Penny. This is our newest addition. Yeah, she's a cutie. So, yep. Alright guys, I always appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys keep my channel going. Please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in hauls. I also do Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree DIYs, some DIYs. I do card making. Also, we live the ketogenic lifestyle, so I do a lot of ketogenic recipes, and I do little chit-chats about my journey. So, yep, I'm also going to be doing a video journey update for you so you guys can come along with me about my journey and what's been going on lately with keto. So, yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!